I welcome all of you in the lesson number 49 for grade 3 mathematics. Guys, as you know, we finished the topic asserted multiples and we were discussing the basics of the multiplication. In the last class, we did a 2-digit and 3-digit multiplication by a single digit with regrouping concept, right? So a quick revision for one or two questions, then we will continue practicing for that. The question 268, this is you have to multiply the 3. In basic multiplication, you have to make sure that you are, when you are multiplying any number by 2, 3 or 4 by a single digit number. So first you have to multiply that number with the ones number, then you have to multiply the number with the tens number, and in the last you will have to multiply the number with the hundreds. Once you multiply the number with the ones, so the answer should be written in the ones place. When you multiply a single digit with the tens, so the answer should be written in the tens place. And when you multiply the number with the hundreds place, so the answer should be written on the hundreds place. This is 268 by 3. First, you will multiply 3 by 8 once. So for 3 by 8, you will check the table of 8, table of 3, 3 by 1, 3, 3 by 2, 6, 3 by 3, 9, 3 by 4, 12, 3 by 5, 15, 3 by 6, 18, 3 by 7, 21, and 3 by 8 is 24. In 24, there are 2 digits, 2 tens and 4 ones. So you will only write ones in the ones place, and the tens you need to regroup it with the tens. When you regroup 2 with the tens, now after it, you will multiply this 3 with the tens value, which is 6. 3 multiplied by 6 equals to what? So 3 multiplied by 6 tens is equals to 18 tens. In 18 tens, you are going to add that 2 tens, which you regroup. So 18 plus 2 is 20. In 20, there are also 2 digits. So one of the digit you will write here 0, and other digit you will regroup it with the 100. So 20 you are going to regroup with 200 and 0, 10. 0 you will write here, 2 you will regroup with the 100. Then you multiply this 3 by 200. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So you will write 8 here. So the answer will be 804. This is how you have to simply multiply. Right? So we did some of the practice in the... Just wait, guys. One of the student is texting. He is unable to join the class. Let me resolve this issue. Okay. I hope it will come. I'm going to share it again. And even I'm going to share it now. New one. So in the last class, guys, we did some of the questions related to this, where 38 multiplied by 2, 2, 8, 16, 6 here, 1 you regroup, 2, 3, 6, in 6 you add 1, that's 76. 43 by 2, 2 by 3, 6, 2 by 4, 8, right here. 16 multiplied by 4, 4 by 6, 24, 4 here, 2 you regroup, and 4 by 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 64. 146 by 4, 4 by 6, 24, 4 here, 2 you regroup. 2 you regroup. Now 4 by 4, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. 18, 8 here, 1 you regroup. 4 by 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 386 by 2, 6 by 2, 12. 2 here, 1 regroup. 2 by 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 here, 1 you regrouped. Then 2 by 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. This is how you completed simple multiplication. Now, we learned one more method, that was partition method. And I would like to discuss partition method here on the board, on the white screen. 38 by 2. So guys, in partition method, what we do, we actually make numbers easy to multiply. Look, this is 38 by 2. This is 38 by 2. So if even you want to do it, multiply mental math, as you say, 38 by 2. So what you will do, you will just try to make uh, it 0. If it is 0, like you will try to break it. You will try to write like this, 30 plus 8. 38 is 30 plus 8, right? The value of 3 is 30 and the value of 8 is 8. Now, one by one, you will multiply this 2 by 2. So it will be 30 plus 2, 30 multiplied by 2 plus 8 multiplied by 2. If you make partition and then you multiply, what will be benefit for you? You know it, whenever you have 0 in the ones place, so it is very easy to multiply. Okay? Because in that case, you just need to multiply the number with the number 2 by 3. That is equals to 6 and 0 will remain same. So you don't need to go vertical multiplication for that. Then plus 8 by 2, 16. And also it is very easy to add a number when you have 0 on ones place. So this 0 plus 6 will be 6 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. So you know it that whenever you are adding a number will have 0 on the ones place. So you just have to replace the ones with that 0 and you have to add the tens. So 6 plus 1, 7 and 6 you replace with the 0. So the answer is 76. So in partition multiplication, you have to break it, you have to write their values, okay, then you have to multiply one by one, and in between you should write addition. I give you one more example. Let's suppose it is 45 multiplied by 2. So 45 I will break into 40 plus 5, 40 plus 5, and one by one I will multiply this by 2. 40 also by 2 and 5 also by 2. 40 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 40 by 2 is equals to what? For that, multiply the number only. 2 by 4 is 8 and 0 will be same. Plus 2 multiplied by 5, 10, and it is very easy to add 80 and 10, that will be 90. So guys, up to here everything is clear?
Clear, it's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So you know you can multiply by using partition method also and by simple multiplication also. So this is 38 by 2. You multiply it through partition. 30 by 2 plus 8 by 2, 16 plus 16. And this is 43 by 2, 40 by 2 and 3 by 2. So 80 plus 6, 86. Now, we completed in the last class, guys, the question 2A and 2B. So question C, D, and E. We are going to complete it now. Question C, D, E, we are going to complete it now with partition method. So take out your notebooks and on the top of the page, write the date, 3rd November 2021. Day is Wednesday. And we are studying multiplication. Can you see the screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's very good. Take out your notebooks and we are going to start question number 2C. What is 2C? C will take same 16 by 4. Just we will change the method here to multiply. Oh, C we have finished C also. So we are going to take D now. D is 146 multiplied by 4 and its answer will be. So in 146 guys, I am going to write the value of 1 first. The value of 1 is 100 and I will multiply 100 by 4 plus what is the value of 4? Value of 4 is 40 multiplied by 4 plus what is the value of 6? The value of 6 is also 6 multiplied by 4. This is I have made partition. 1 value 100 by 4, 4 value 40 by 4, 6 value 60 by 4. Right? Now 100 multiplied by 4. This is very easy to multiply guys. 4 by 1, 4. 4 by 1, 4. And there are 2 zeros, so write 2 zeros. This is 400 plus 40 by 4. This is also very easy to multiply. 4 by 4, 16. There is 1 zero, add 1 zero. Then plus 6 multiplied by 4 equals to 24. So 400 plus 160 plus 24. This is you have to add now. So 400 plus 160 is equals to 4 plus 1, 5. And then 60 will be same because there are 2 zeros. So it will be 560. 560 plus 24. Now 560, in 560 you have to add 24. 5 will remain same. 6 plus 2, 8 and 4 will replace 0. So it will be 584. You can check the answer of D here. Answer is 584. Here also answer is 584. So this is same. Clear guys?
Yes, sir. It's very easy. Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So for 146 multiplied by 4 is equals to 584. Now we will complete question number E. This is 386 multiplied by 2. This is 386 multiplied by 2. So we have to solve it by partition method, and I will take one of the students who will help me to write this partition multiplication. So guys who want to participate with me, who can tell me what to write? We are solving it by partition method. Adam Khalid. Adam Khalid said he wants to participate. Okay. Yes, Adam.
Yes, sir.
386 multiplied by 2. We are solving it by partition method.
Sir, what 300 multiplied by 2.
Okay.
3 plus
Plus
18 80
okay.
multiplied by 2 equals no
Plus
6 multiplied by 2 equals
okay, we'll go down now. Okay. Yes.
300 multiplied by 2 equals 600
Okay.
and 80 plus no multiplied by 2 equals 160.
Okay.
Then plus 12 equals 600, 706 and 26. and no,
Listen.
and 76.
Make it one by one. Add it one by one. First add 600 and 160. This is easy to add. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7, and 60 will be same because they are two zeros. So 60 will replace here. Only you need to add 6 and 1. So it will be
100
760.
and
Now add 12.
2, 7. 722. No, 72.
772.
Yeah.
Let's check your answer. 772. Exactly. That's perfect. Thank you, Adam.
Welcome.
Very good answer by Adam, guys. And I will take one more student who can answer me. Okay, Umar, you want to participate? I'm coming to you. Umar Hassan. So this is I'm going to raise now. Umar Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Umar.
Okay. Now, we start from the one, okay? From the ones to the, okay. No, what I need. Okay. Now, 6 multiply 2
Okay.
equal
Listen,
12.
we are solving it by partition method. Okay. So you have to write their values and you have to multiply it by 2. And in between that, these values, you have to use addition sign as well.
So I will start from the 1 to the hundredth.
No, you have to start from here, from 3. What is the value of 3?
The value of
Yes,
a minute.
the value of 3 here is 3 is on hundreds place. So what will be the value of 3?
Yes. 100.
300. So
Yes.
multiply 300 by 2 first, then plus.
Okay.
Plus.
If
What is the next
we-
number? Next number is 8. What is the value of 8?
The value of 8 tens.
80. Right?
80, yes.
So multiply 80 by 2. Then
80 by
plus.
2. Yes.
This is 6. Value of 6 is also
6
6.
and 1.
So multiply 6 by 2 also. So this is you have written how you have to. Now you just need to. This is you have make the partition. Now you just need to multiply. Yes. Solve the bracket and tell me the answer. 300 by 2 equals to what?
300. 300 multiply 2 equal 600.
Okay. Then 80 multiplied by 2.
No, wait. 80 multiply 2 equal 160.
That's very good.
And 160 plus 600. 100 plus 600 equal
Listen. You have to multiply 6 also. You forgot to multiply 6.
Okay, wait.
6 multiplied by 2.
6 multiply 2 equal 12.
That's good. Now come here.
And okay. 100 plus 600 equal 700. And 60 equal 60 plus 700 equals 760, and plus and the 12 plus 760 equal equal 770. 72.
That's very good. Good effort by Adam Khalid. Sorry, Omar Hassan. Thank you. I'll repeat for you guys. 386 you break into the partition. You make partition, you write their values, and each value you multiply by 2. 300 by 2 plus 80 by 2 plus 6 by 2. When you multiply 2 by 300, it's very easy, you know. When it's very easy to multiply any number by 100. Just multiply the number 2 by 3, 6, and add 2 zeros. So it is 600. It is also very easy to multiply any number which are having 0 ones. 2 multiply by 8, 16, and add 1 0, 160. And 6 by 2, you know, that is 12. Add 600 and 160 first. So 600 plus 100, 700, and 60 will replace these 2 zeros. So this is 760 plus 12. Now, there is no 100, 7 will be same. 6 and 1, 7, and 0, 2, 2 will replace 0. So it is 772. This is same as you did in normal multiplication. So the answer is same. So you have learned both methods, simple multiplication and partition method also, which will help you to multiply the numbers. Okay. So is it clear, guys? The last question.
Ask me a question. I know everything. I know it. It's easy.
That's very good. So guys, complete it, and after that we will move to the notebook. We will move to the new page. Did you complete this question, guys?
Ask me a question. It's very easy.
Sharif, I have already asked you a question yesterday. Okay, so every time if I ask you, so how can I ask to other students? Okay, so that's why I'm not asking you right now. I want to check the other students also, that who knows and who don't know. Okay. Yes, guys. Can I go to the new page?
It's very easy.
Okay, that's very good. So 386 multiplied by 2 we have finished. Now move to the new page. And here I am going to give you one question for the practice. And you are going to answer me. This was the classwork we completed in the notebook. And the question I am going to give you, this is 400 76 multiply by 5. 476 multiplied by 5. This is you have to solve, guys. You have to answer it in the chat. Any method you can use to solve. Okay. Any method, by any method you solve, the answer should be 476. The answer must be correct. 476 by 5. This is what you have to find out. I'm waiting for your answer. I'll see who can answer me quickly and whose answers are correct, whose answers are wrong. 476 you have to multiply by 5. Yes, Adam and Sharif and Bander, Majid, Muhammad Al-Harbi, Amjad, Umar, Ayman, Ali Nizar, Mashari, first Ziad, Rafiq, Mantar. Solve it and send it to me. Muhammad Adam Khalid is the first one who sent me the answer. Then Muhammad Al-Harbi. I'm checking their answer is correct or not. Exactly. The answers of Adam Khalid and Muhammad Al-Harbi are correct. Abdul Aziz, Take your time and solve it and send it to me, okay? Yes, guys, what about other students? 476 by 5. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Check again your answer. No, Amjad Muhammad. Let's take Amjad Muhammad with me. Amjad Muhammad. Yes, Amjad.
Yes, sir.
476 multiplied by 5. Multiply it with me.
6 multiplied by 5 equals 30.
30. Okay. So
70 multiplied by 5 equals
Amjad, what to write here?
330.
Should I write here 30?
Yeah.
Hmm?
No, up there, put the 3 there. Put the 3, put the 10 3 there.
3 in the tens, okay.
Now it became one. Now it became 100.
Now what do you need to do? After multiplying 5 by 6? 5 by 7. now.
500. 500. 500.
5 multiplied by 7.
Huh?
Amjad, 5 multiplied by 7. You don't know table of 5?
Honestly, I don't know what's 70.
Ahmad Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 5 by 6, 30, 0 here, 3 here. After that, what we will do?
What?
5 by 7. Solve this question. 476 by 5.
Yes, equal 0. Yes.
Okay. 3 here. Carry.
And 3 plus 5 equal 3 equal 8. 8 plus 0 equal 8.
Listen.
Okay.
Why
3 plus
we have to multiply 5 by 7? Why you are adding? 5 by 7 equals what?
5 by 7.
Hmm.
5 by 7 equal 35.
Okay. And 35 and 3?
35. Okay. 38.
So what should I write here?
38 and 3 up.
3 up. Then this 5 by 4.
4 multiply 4 equal 20.
Hmm.
23.
Is it correct?
Yes, it is correct.
That's very good. Thank you, Abdul Aziz. And in the chat, I received answers from Ali Nizar. That's perfect. Ali Nizar solved it with the bipartition method, and he sent the whole message to me. That is very good. And Sharif also tried, but his answer is not correct. Ilyas, you have sent me the answers once I solved it. And I did not receive answer from any other students. Mashari answers is wrong. So the answer of it is 2380. So 476 by 5 equals to 2380. How? Because you multiply 5 by 6 first. 5 by 6 30, 0 here, 3 here, 5 by 7 35, 35 plus 3 38, 8 here, 3 here, 5 by 4 20, and 20 plus 3 23. This is I can show you by partition method also. 476 means 400 multiply by 5 plus 70 multiply by 5 plus 6 multiply by 5, right? 400 multiplied by 5 equals to what? 5 by 4, 20. And in 20, you will add these two zeros. It will be 2000 plus 70 multiplied by 5, 5, 7, 35. In 35, you will add 1 0. And 6 by 5, 30. And this is very easy to add. 2000 plus 350. That will be 2350 plus 30 and 50 plus 30 equals to 80. So 2380. This will be your answer. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. Let's take one question, guys, with 4 digit. Okay. Take one question for 4 digit. It is 5, 2, 4, 6. And you are multiplying it by 3. So this is 1000, 100, 10 and 1. So you will multiply the number by ones first. 3 multiplied by 6. Yes, guys, 3 multiplied by 6 equals to what?
18.
3 multiplied by 6 equals to what?
16.
3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. In 18, there are 2 digits. So you will write only 8 here and 1 will be regrouped with the tens. Now, you will multiply this 3 to 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 equals to what, guys?
12, but the answer is not 12. Add 1 will be 13.
3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12 and 12 plus 1, 13. 13, there are 2 digits in 13, 3 and 1. 3 we will write here, 1 we will regroup with 100. And 3 multiplied by 2 equals to what? Yes?
7, because we add 1, 7.
Sharif, just wait.
7.
Mashari and Ilyas.
7 up.
Okay.
7 up.
Mashari and Ilyas, behave yourself in the class, okay? Don't disturb the class. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6 and 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So you will write here 7. And then you have to multiply this 3 with the 1000. So 3 multiplied by 5 equals to what?
15.
3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. So you will write here 15. So in this way, you can solve a 4-digit number multiplication also, guys. 3 by 6, 18, 8 here, 1 here, 3 by 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 by 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and 3 by 5, 15. Okay. That's very good. You can even solve it with the partition method, but I'm not going to solve it. So we are actually practicing for multiplication basics, 3-digit number, 4-digit number with regrouping, right? So let's take one more example. This is 689 multiply by 4. 689 multiply by 4. In 689 there are 6 hundreds, 8 tens, and 9 ones. So first you are going to multiply this 4 by 9. Can you tell me 4 multiplied by 9 equals to what, guys?
Yes, sir.
Rafiq, Samir, Mohsen, why you are shouting? I'm asking a question. 4 multiplied by 9 equals to what?
Well, to say, maybe for, I don't know. 7, 4 multiplied by 7. Will be
4 multiplied by 9 equals to what? 4 multiplied by 9.
36.
Very good, Muhammad.
36.
36.
Very good. Muhammad Al-Harbi was the first one who answered. 4 multiplied by 9 equals to 36. In 36, there are 2 digits, so you will only write one of them. You will write 6 here. In 36, there are 3 tens, 6 ones. The tens you will regroup with the tens. Now you will multiply 4 by 8. So 4 multiplied by 8 equals to what, guys?
32.
Muhammad.
32.
32.
Very good. When you add this 3 in 32, so 32 plus 3 equals to what?
35. 35.
Oh, very good. So from 35, which number you are going to write down? From 35, which number you are going to write here on the tens place?
5.
Very good. 4 multiplied by 8, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. In 35, there are 2 digits, 5 and 3. 5 you will write here and 3 will go up. Now, you will multiply this 4 by 6. 4 multiplied by 6 equals to what?
24.
27.
24. So 24. In 24, you add 3 and that will be 27. That's fine. So this is 2756 is the answer. So guys, we have finished the practice of multiplication. This was very important because in the next classes we have many topics from multiplication. Okay. So our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Happy weekend. Bye bye.